Are you in search of the top BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore? Look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their exceptional expertise and experience in the field of building information modeling, BIM, they have established themselves as one of the leading companies in the industry. SCON Design is known for its commitment to innovation, quality, and client satisfaction. Their team of highly skilled professionals provides comprehensive BIM solutions that cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Being the top BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design offers a wide range of services that cover all aspects of BIM. They specialize in BIM coordination, clash detection, 4D scheduling, quantity takeoffs, and as-built documentation. Their extensive knowledge of industry standards and best practices ensures that the projects they undertake are executed with precision and accuracy. SCON Design's BIM services enable clients to streamline their construction processes, enhance collaboration among stakeholders, and improve project outcomes. What sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies is their commitment to excellence. They consistently deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds client expectations. Their team of experts understands the importance of attention to detail and ensures that every project is completed with utmost accuracy and efficiency. Whether it's a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle it all. Another key factor that distinguishes SCON Design as the top BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore, is their use of advanced technology and software. They leverage cutting-edge tools like Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and Dynamo to create accurate 3D models and simulations. By utilizing these technologies, SCON Design enables clients to visualize their projects in a virtual environment before construction even begins. When it comes to finding the top BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the field. With their expertise in building information modeling, BIM, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted and reliable company that provides comprehensive solutions for construction and architectural projects. Their commitment to excellence and innovation has earned them a strong reputation in the industry. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is known for its wide range of BIM services that cater to various sectors such as residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in using the latest BIM software and technologies. This enables them to deliver accurate and efficient BIM models that meet the specific needs of their clients. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is considered the top BIM company in Yelahanka is their ability to provide end-to-end BIM solutions. From conceptualization and design to construction and maintenance, they offer comprehensive services that cover the entire project lifecycle. This ensures seamless coordination and collaboration between different stakeholders, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced costs.